we're going to buy some goodies for breakfast. We're outside. Look at the view. Dang! We arrived yesterday, but we are just gonna go today. I have Adam. We're going for some baked goods. That's not an ice cream truck. Look at that. On vacation, but that Zoe started cleaning up something. That's yours? Hi guys, so we are here now in Croatia, and this is our, what day it is? Third day today. We didn't vlog on the first day, and yesterday I vlogged, but just very little because we don't really have time. We don't have much time, and I didn't even do a tour video, so I will just give you guys a tour on the place where we staying. Okay, so it's a mess. So basically this is the door, and that's the terrace. I will show you guys later. So but from the door we have the messy kitchen area, a dining area. And Zoe wants to show what she bought. Go on, show. This. A popper. A puppet. Puppet. Pop it. Say hi, Adam. They catch colors already because we are always at the beach swimming. These are our swimsuit to use for today. And from here we got the kitchen, the garbage bin. Wait, Zoe. The kitchen area. It's just a small space. We have the fridge, the sink, and the countertop. Those are snacks that we brought. So it's just this.
Our kitchen is bigger.
Yes, our kitchen is bigger. So we got a TV set here, a small one, which we normally don't use. And from this TV, we have the kids' bedroom. It's a slide door. And this is where Adam stays, and that's where Zoe stays. So it's just a small one. They have a small closet here. And we have their bathroom, more like a shower room. We got the sink, the toilet, and the shower.
It's same to your bed.
It hasn't been cleaned up yet. We will call someone for cleaning. So this is that. And we have a full-size mirror, a body mirror like this. So this is how I look right now because we will go soon to the beach, so I'm gonna change a swimsuit. And this is the door. This is the door to the master, to our bed, which is my husband didn't make his bedside. Mine is already did. So this is our bed. Yeah, so we have also a door here going out, but see how sunny it is. And then we have there for laying. And this is our shower and toilet area. Shower, toilet, this one, and those are our things I have. See, I bring my Mijon. Nice. And my Foreo and Mijon and my perfume. Hi, Adam. So yeah, so that's everything. It's just a small one, but it's good because we are so close to the beach. Like, it's just a few minutes walking. So that is pretty much how it looks like inside, but I'm gonna show you guys the outside later on because I don't want to open the door right now, because every time I open it, Adam wants to go and to the beach, and we're not ready yet. So as you can see, I already catch color. We don't eat as much here like we are at home, so I think I'm losing some weight, but that's okay because we don't have any appetite. It's like it's so hot that you just don't want to eat. Kids catch color, especially Adam. He's more tan. And yeah, so I couldn't take any video or photo because we don't normally bring the phone when we go to the beach. We just leave it at home. And yep.
And this remote looks like ours that we have home.
Yeah, it looks like our remote control at home. Anyway, so too bad we also don't have any photo yet, like photo somewhere, because I don't know, it's just we are always full-handed with Adam because Adam keeps running, so we can't take any photo. Glasses. This is always, it can't fit me.
Hi, necklaces. We don't need and we don't need a pool because we live near the beach.
Yes, she said we live near the beach. Anyway, so this is the outside of this apartment. We have this terrace here. You can close those curtains, and there is that for sitting here. That's the main door that I showed you a few days ago, and this is it. We hang our towels and swimsuits here. There are two for laying on this side, and that's the way out, and that's our view, and the other side view. It's beautiful, isn't it? Watch Adam, we don't go there. Yeah, so you're stepping on my toe. So yeah.